Hello beautiful people, this is Rahman and welcome to my first video in 2021. I am so sorry because I did not upload video regularly because I am busy with my annual examination. So I am back with another brand new video, and today in this video I am gonna show how to upload your video in YouTube. So not waste more time, let's get started. Welcome back viewers. First of all, you need to download an application YouTube Studio. Then you back to YouTube and click this plus button and click upload a video. Here you select your desired video. Then you see this interface. First of all, you have to choose a good title of your video, then add a long description. Then you need to choose your location, then click the next button and click upload button. Here we done. Now back to WATC Studio, and here you find your video in processing to upload and click your uploading video. First of all, you tap to add tag and here choose your video related tags. And lastly, you have to upload an attractive thumbnail by clicking the pen icon. Congrats, you set your thumbnail. Save this. Your video is processing for upload. I hope you will benefited to watch my video, and don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. Stay home, stay safe.